So my name is Gemma Samoy, and I go to currently SCT, and I'm going to be a junior.
My name is Zoe Husted. I am going to be a senior at Canyon Crest Academy.
So I'm an IT system student assistant, and what we're doing is we're using an LED light strip to convey data from the data center.
We work with the data that the supercomputers give us, and we kind of measure the metrics of like the temperature and the idle time and like the number of jobs being processed, and use it and visualize it in a different way using an LED strip.
I applied for this position because I thought it was a really good opportunity to work with what I was already interested in. I had been working with data visualization before, and I thought this was a really good opportunity to see a real-world application for it.
I thought it was really interesting to be able to work so closely with the supercomputer and kind of be able to work with the data that's coming directly from the computers themselves.
So for me, the most challenging task to complete so far has been working with like the different software and hardware that we've used, because I've never been able to like experience working with it before.
Neither my partner nor I had any experience with it, and so we were trying to use it to have our LED system work on its own without being plugged into a computer, and it took a lot of trial and error and a lot of time to figure out, but eventually we learned how to use it and it all worked out. I hope to get the experience of what it's like to work in a research facility so that I can take that information and use it in my future careers and education.
This week in Mathematica, the students learned how to organize data and tables and different kinds of pie charts. They learned a little bit about algorithms and so-called greedy algorithms, which are designed to find shortest paths in between nodes.
Mathematica is a class that combines real-world math and computation that you can use on the computer. So you no longer need to use outdated math that was used 10 to 20 years ago. It's stuff that the computer can do for you now. So it does the computations for you while you're doing the real work situations right in front of you. Mathematica is a great program that can combine everything you need to know through the use of what we have today, how math has evolved and how math can now no longer need to be used through your hands. You can just use it through a computer, and that's what the computer is built for.
Throughout this workshop, the kids learned different applications like how to code algorithms and how to use matrices into arrays and lists, and then they learned how to put those into real-world applications, and like how to use them in a drone and how to use them in like robotic dogs or small ROVs, and how they would work out in the real world and what the actual application would be. And they learned through the week like how important Mathematica actually is and how versatile it is in the world currently. The workshop was a success. Each of the kids were very involved and had hands-on with the Mathematica program and learned a lot, and it was a good learning experience for all of them.